How to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how to tag someone on Facebook Reels after you have posted it. If you want to tag someone on Facebook Reel after you have posted it, it's very simple to do. First, I'll go and open Facebook. Then I'm just going to tap this option here and then I'm just going to apply some reels or anything else. Now all you have to do is, let's say you have come to the reel over here. Now tap on the three dots option, click on edit reels or edit post option of that reel. When you do that, the reel is going to get popped up over here where you have to just select this little option over here, which is a plus option. Once you tap on it, you can go ahead and tag the people you want even after you have posted them. So it's as simple as that. This way, you can tag someone on your Facebook Reel even after posting it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.